Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study efficiently at night. First, prioritize your sleep by maintaining a regular schedule, ensuring you get 7 to 9 hours of quality rest. Next, set up a specific study area that is quiet and organized, free from any potential interruptions. Before you begin, plan your study sessions, breaking them into manageable 45-minute intervals with short breaks in between. This structured approach helps maximize your focus and retention during late-night study. Optimizing your environment is crucial for effective night study. Make sure your lighting is adequate, perhaps using a 60-watt bulb to prevent eye fatigue. Maintain a comfortable room temperature, ideally around 70 degrees Fahrenheit, to stay alert. Gather all your study materials, including textbooks, notebooks, and pens, before you start. This preparation prevents interruptions and keeps your focus sharp throughout your session. Employ smart study methods to make the most of your night sessions. Actively recall information using tools like flashcards to strengthen your memory. After completing a section, summarize the main points in your own words to ensure understanding. Remember to take brief, 5-minute breaks every 45 minutes. These short pauses help refresh your mind and prevent mental fatigue, keeping you productive for longer. To sustain your focus, stay well hydrated by drinking plenty of water and try to limit your caffeine consumption. During your breaks, incorporate some light stretching to boost blood circulation and re-energize your body. Remember, consistent effort yields the best results. Also, for easy meal prep solutions and other great deals, be sure to check out the description below this video. It's packed with helpful resources to support your busy lifestyle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.